So I will talk about the compliance of regulation and the standardization. First of all, I don't know. Yes. I will give you an overview of how we can connect tools and methodologies to enter regulations. So in the beginning, we have all the tools and methodology we presented right now, but in reality, we have to know how to apply it in the industrial case, how to be compliant to some requirement and regulation. So we can see from for example, we can have this reading in the beginning. After I will do the opposite. So we have tools and methodology from Confiance.ai program, and with this help us to give some common terminology, common definition, relatively high level, and practices to standards, to framework of labels like positive, II, VDE, etc., and Sensenelec ACO for standards. And these are connected directly to regulation like IA Act and Data Act. For example, and this will give some perception of the conformity. It's very important to know that the standards are not equivalent to regulation because they are volunteers standards. There is other kind of standards they called harmonized standards or harmonized norms. These are equivalent to regulation. So if you are compliant to these standards, you are respecting the regulation. I mean by regulation of countries and European European Commission, etc. So if we go to the Regulation Commission, we have a question from standardization request from European Commission, and they build some request by IA Act, etc., to Sensenelec. And this standardization requests are divided into 10 standard SR, they called SR, so for standardization request. We have risk management, data quality and governance, record and loggings, transparency, human oversight, accuracy, robustness, cybersecurity, quality management system, and conformity assessment. We can see that there are some horizontal questions and some vertical one. Of course, the horizontal, they are more high level and they are like end-to-end methodology. Like this, it's where we go inside the standardization, and we have some specific technical one. Like, for example, if we check for our business, like the methods presented right before. For example, if I take just the accuracy, it depends where I'm applying it. If I apply for machine learning standards, computer visions, or medical, etc. So all these words, they are defined and specified in the standards, of course, based on consensus. If I go further now about standards, we have Sensenelec, ISO, IEC, SAE, etc. And in Sensenelec, GTC 21 is the Joint Technical Committee who organize and prepare standards for II. And in ISO, we have GTC 21, SC 42, Subcommittee 42. So, and they are organized on 5 working groups. Of course, there are others joint working groups. For example, if the topic is between working group 2 and working group 3, so they create a new working group called GWG. So I will focus only on main working groups. So we have one for working group GTC 21, strategic advisor group, operations aspect, engineering aspect, fundamental and societal aspect, and joint standardization on cybersecurity for IA system. Of course, there are almost the same in SC42, like fundamental standards, foundational standards, trustworthiness, use case and application, etc. If I go deep in this working group, there are several standards developed or under development. So if I focus in WG3 for both of them, GTC 21 and SC 42, for WG3 engineering aspect for GTC 21, we have several standards in development like computer vision metrics, bias, computer vision taxonomy, natural language processing, data set, and data quality. And in the same time, we have it in SC42, like guidance risk management, data quality, quality model for AI systems, and for example, data quality for analytics and machine learning for 52, 59 series, etc., etc. Then all of them, there are some standards are already published, like I think 23894, which is guidance of risk management, and others, they are in final steps like 52, 59 series, and other, of course, they are under development. So if I go forward, now we go back to the Confiance tools and methodology. Until now, we already presented the book, body of knowledge, the end-to-end, the end-to-end methodology, and some tools like Punk, like TouchKit, etc. All of these, they are in low-level techniques. We can get some scores. We can get some technical methodologies to be compliant with the standards, to answer the requirements in standards, and these standards will be compliant with the regulation. That this is the way we can go say it right now. So, for example, we have the W cycle, which is a new vision of V cycle of in engineering and software system and software engineering, and we have, of course, all of this attribute developed in Confiance.ai program. And of course, we can see deeply in some direction of AI methodology developed, like a hybrid AI or distributed AI, etc. Now, if to give some examples for standards, we have definitions. Carla said we need common definitions. So for this, in standard also, we have to be okay for some definition. For example, for business, we already have this definition: ability of system to maintain its level of performance under any circumstance. Are we okay with this definition? If we are not, we have to go to the standardization, and we say that I'm not okay because maybe under any circumstance will be a problem, because we cannot only in the use or in the operational use, we are not sure that, or don't need to be under any circumstance, for example. And example for requirement for management risk system is the organization shall define, establish AI risk assessment, etc. And another one, I mean here, just for recommendation. When we read standards, we have to make difference between should and shall. Shall is a requirement. Should is just a recommendation, and is the same for requirement for test, etc. And right now we have contributed in several previous and current topics like data, trustworthiness, risks, data, mainly data and trustworthiness, IRT systemics, safety and aeronautic. They are Thales and Airbus. Risks with systemics also with Bertrand, and explainability for Saint-Exupéry, IRT also. And type of actions, we are leading with coordinate groups, review and common standards, follow new topics, initiate and pilot standards, participate to ISO and Sensenelec plenaries, like this one in RIA last year. We attend and participate and collaborate to create or to write new standards in the community, because if we have some methodology and we are not able to put them in the standards, the other methodology will be done over there, and we cannot be able to use them in industrial case. Thank you for your listening and attention.